Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you do? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 11 and its title is Pari Mahal. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And our today's lecture, lecture number 8, we will learn about the use of dictionary. How we can use dictionary in different words. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, in unit number 6, page number 43, already you have learned how to use a dictionary to find out how words are divided into syllables. Already we have learned about the use of dictionary. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further. Recognize the alphabetical arrangement of words in a glossary or dictionary. Locate an entry word in a glossary of a dictionary. So today we will cover up these as below. So let's start with the name of Almighty Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 257. Allah is the guardian of the believers. He brings them out of darkness and into the light. Subhanallah, my dear students, Allah Almighty get His believers from darkness into the light. And this is a great opportunity, this is a great reward by Allah Almighty to His believer, for His believers, my dear students. When Allah Almighty get out His believers from darkness into light, so it means they are guided in every way. Allah Almighty has given them His own blessings that they will be get as a guiders. Got it, my dear students? So here is a pre-reading question for you. What you have to do, what do you know, what are glossary words and how we can locate a word in a dictionary? Already we have learned, my dear students. So refresh your knowledge and answer to your teacher. Good job. Excellent job, my dear students. Okay, let's see now how we can find. In a dictionary, words are arranged alphabetically according to the first, second or third letter. Got it, my dear students? How we can find in dictionary, words are arranged alphabetically. What does it mean it alphabetically? Alphabetically means according to the alphabets. How is first letter is like A, B, C and so on. So this arrangement is called when we write the words in sequence. So this arrangement is called alphabetical arrangement. So we can find in dictionary in with such type of arrangement. How we can locate and what are entry words? Entry words indicates first and last word of the page of a dictionary. With the help of these words, we can locate a word easily. My dear students, these entry words are very important in dictionary. Keep remember, when we want to find any word, so these entry words help us a lot, that word we are going to find, either it is present in this page or not. So okay, let's see how we can get that, because it gives us first and last word. You can see there, like you can see these words are called, my dear students, entry word, like any, appall. Any, you can see there, which is our first word, any. This is our first word, and which is our last word, appall. Got it? My dear students, in this way it means if what we need, what we want to search, we can get that. If we want to search the word like aspire, so our word is in A series and the second letter is S. So we can get easily that by watching these entry words, that our word is not included in this page. Got it? Next, how we can see, you can see that first letter like sound of D, entry word, and the last word is dice. There is first word is D and the last is dice. Got it, my dear students? Good. So how we can locate a word? Here are steps for you. In step 1, what you will do, like find the word you want to look up, like festival. Example is there, my dear students. Let's suppose that we want to find word festival. How we will find? Okay, next 2 step, find the letter that word begins with. So which letter is that? Like F. And the next is Open the dictionary to the page with the relevant letter, in this case the letter B. Okay, letter B means second letter. Which is second letter? F, E. So it means we will search our word which series? F first letter and the second letter will be E. And next step number 4, now look at the second letter in the word you are looking for. Have you got that? See there, festival we are going to find. So F-E-S, yes, F-E-N-A, F-E-R, F-E-R, F-E-S, festival. Have you got that? In this way we have found, and these are entry words. First and fence is the first letter and file is the last letter of this dictionary page. Is it clear? Good job. So what is a glossary? A glossary is like a dictionary in the back of a book. It tells about special words used in the book. It is an alphabetical list of the different words in a text. What is glossary, my dear students? You can find, open your English book that you have in your hand and get its last pages. You will see there an index. Index is another name of glossary. Got it? So glossary is a small dictionary that gives us the meaning of words that we found in the book. Have you got that? So now let's perform an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to divide the class in groups according to the strength of your class. Give a piece of paper chart to each group. If you have more than one dictionary, you should give one dictionary to each group. If you have only, give it to the groups one by one. Write some words on the board and say to students to locate the words in a dictionary. Appreciate the work. So my dear teacher, if you have 2 or 3 or more than one dictionary, so you can provide, otherwise you can give dictionary one by one to the students and give them word that they have to locate in the dictionary. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back, my dear teacher. I hope now you have given them strong concept about the use of dictionary. Excellent job. So here is a question. On page number 93, question number 11 is there. Check the entry of following words in the dictionary. These are the words and you have to check the entry of the following words in your dictionary, and pause the video and perform this activity individually in your class. Welcome back. Good job. Now I hope that now you can find the entry words, how you can locate an entry word in a dictionary. Good job, my dear students. So what's your homework? You have to find first 10 words starting with C from the dictionary and write these words into your notebooks. You have to write all these words in your notebooks. Which letter I am giving you? I am giving you letter C. Okay, my dear students, that you have to find. So what we have learned today, and my dear teachers and my dear students, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that they might be able that how we can locate a guide word in a dictionary. So what we have learned today? So today we learned to locate words in a dictionary. We got also that how we can locate a word in a glossary list. And in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much.